Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how are we going to achieve a more glowing and radiant makeup look. And that is my go-to makeup for today. And all the makeup products that I'm using are my favorites. First thing is that whenever I am home, I have this makeup pouch with me. I usually have this clear makeup pouch because I really wanted to see everything inside for makeup because all my emergency makeup is here. The first makeup products that I've been using for my glowing makeup look is of course none other than my concealer. Sometimes people say that concealer is just to conceal your dark spots or your under eye dark circles, but actually concealer can also give you that glow, especially for those who are tired. Glowing skin is all about a healthy skin, and that portion of your face, that area of your face needs to have that glow in order for you to look awake and to look fresh all day. And this is the only solution that we can have for you to have that really radiant and vibrant look. So let me apply this a little bit under my eyes, part of here on my under eye, and then all I do is just use this like on my fingertip like that. Concealer. That's it. It's so easy. All you have to do is just use your blender to blend out everything. It's a really good finish and really good blend. If I want to have that really good angle on my face so that when the lights focus on my face or hit my face, I will have that really good glow. So all I do is that put it somewhere here on the top of my cheekbone, a little bit of products, and then after that I tap it again. And then after that, use my blender. So after your cheekbone, all you have to do is put a little bit on your forehead here. Just a little product on your forehead. There. I did it put on the tip of your nose, on the top of your nose, and here on the above your mouth, and here also on the chin area. And after your concealer, what is important is to have a good highlights or an illuminizer. So if you want to have that additional glow, all you need is a click highlighter. Click a little bit. Just apply it right away on your skin. I just put a little bit on the tip of my finger and just put it here on the top, very top of my cheekbone, and on the other side just put it also on the very top of your cheekbone so that it could give you that lift angle. Or some beauty gurus, they just put one part of their face, and after they finish they just have to go to another one. But in my case, I always use both. I don't know why. And the next, after my highlighter and my concealer, is your bronzer. I'm using a bronzer from MAC. So this bronzer from MAC is really good because it's gonna give you that sun-kissed look. So part of a radiant skin is not just all about having that light in your skin, but also to have a contrast on your highlighter and your concealer. You have to have that sun-kissed look or that toned skin look, that when the sun hits you, there is a real color of your skin that truly radiates whenever the lights hit you up. So I apply a little bit of this product and use it somewhere here on my forehead first. Under my cheekbone here. This is your high cheekbone, and you have to go to the lower cheekbone just to apply your bronzer. So after I have my bronzer with me, so after I had my contour, I always use this, my favorite Nars blush. So just put a little bit of products and put it also on top of your cheekbone here, and don't put it on the center because you're gonna look like a clown. Just put it here on top of your cheekbone as well. So just put a little more and then put on the other side here, top of your cheekbone. And after my bronzer and my blush, and I'm going to use this one from MAC. It is also a highlight, but this one is like a powder highlights that's going to give that really nice glow into your skin. So after my highlights, I'm going to use this trendy Master Strobing Stick. And strobing is also a form of illuminizer that can really give you that shine and glow into your skin. And I'm always using it with this brush, so it can give you a really good blend. I also tap it on my skin after I apply it. And all you have to do to apply this is just, I also use this just directly into my skin and just put it also above my cheekbone on this area. There you are. See that? And I also put it on the upper part of my cheekbone and apply it directly. After my strobing stick, I put this illuminizer so that it could enhance the strobing stick that I did. That's it. It's easy. And the next one I'm going to use is the illuminizer from Revlon. This is a creamy, liquidy illuminizer that can really give you that shine, that glow, that freshness into your skin. That's it. Since this is a liquid illuminizer, I'll also put this on the top of my shoulder so that it could give you that look that can also make it looks glowy, and it could have a great balance to your face and to your shoulder. So I also put it here on my shoulder here at this side. So after this illuminizer, liquid illuminizer, and the last thing that I've been using is my MAC hydratant illuminator that is also good for strobing, and this could really give you that powerful shine and that powerful glow to have that you are longing for, and to achieve that glowing, radiant second skin look. Just to have that effect that can really give you that really good shine to balance up your face and your skin. Just, so that's it. I apply all those products that can give me that glow. So after blending everything by this brush, you can see that you have that really natural glow on your skin. You look so fresh, and you are ready to face your camera for live streaming. And this is also advisable for those women who are working from home right now. Look fresh and lovely all day with such a great radiant second skin look that you want. You have to really look glowing, naturally fresh on your everyday makeup look. So please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel and hit that notification bell so you can follow me in all of my videos. So thank you, and hopefully you would have amazing, vibrant and glowing day for all of you.